What's up, guys? It's Deepak Shukla here, back from Serpwizz. Check out serpwizz.com to access a free, instantly actionable report in less than 37 seconds. And today we're going through one of the Serpwizz reports and looking at our site, pearllemon.com, the agency side of the business. And we're looking at specifically the mobile speed section, or rather the mobile section. We're looking at the LCP. In this instance, we looked at the FCP, which is the first contentful paint, and now we're looking at the LCP, which is the largest contentful paint. So this marks the time at which the largest text or image is painted. By painted, it means it becomes, visible, I believe, to the user, or just loaded on screen. So it takes us 5.8 seconds to load the largest contentful paint, which means it's and the largest contentful paint is anything that's considered to load, I think, above the fold. So that means that above the fold load already takes like 5.8 seconds, which is bloody damn slow. So if we jump into the reporting to get a sense of it, you'll see we'll get some more information about it. Generally speaking, these need to be way faster than ours is. I mean, time to interact of 33.3 seconds is just ridiculously slow, and it's something that we battle with. It's one of the metrics in the performance section, okay, the LCP, which we've discussed, and it's the largest content element in which the viewport is rendered to the screen, the viewport being the device that you're on. And is there anything else to tell you here? See how to improve large contentful paint on your website. Let's have a look at what web devs say about it. And yep, look, ours is very poor, like 2.5 is good. As you can see, ours is like 4.4, so we're poor, which is unfortunate. Largest contentful paint. Let's go to what I was looking at before, which was this first of all. The metric that measures the time on a website it takes to show the user the largest content on the screen, complete and ready for interaction, okay? And that's only content above the fold, meaning everything that appears without scrolling, okay? Which is pretty important, of course, do this. And if we jump into rocket content, let's have a look at what these guys were saying. This metric only counts the loading time of what is relevant to the user experience. Okay, these elements here. What is a good score? We discussed how to optimize it. Here we go. CDNs, avoiding JavaScript, choosing a good host seem to be the top three orders of the day. Is there anything else? If we go into a more advanced reasoning of it, let's have a look at what these guys say. Here are some examples of when the largest contentful paint appears on a few popular websites. Boom, it's that there. Boom, that there. Do you see? Boom, that there. So that's quite a good indication. It's the Instagram here. It's the Wikipedia image, the Google image there. And we talk about how to measure it. We measure it, of course. And then let's see what they say about improving it. Affected by four factors: slow server response times, render blocking JavaScript and CSS, resource load times, and client-side rendering. And then it says here for a deep dive about optimizing it. I don't know what the PRPL pattern is honestly. The critical rendering path, if you're a developer, you might have better ideas about this. CSS, images, fonts, and JavaScript, I do understand. But hopefully this at least gives you enough to talk about it intelligently with your client and prospect about why largest contentful paint is important and therefore what you need to do to sort it out. So I hope that makes sense, guys. Catch you in the next one.